Poromgajwang riwruog rowere mantiere kod talanta mopogore midendo ni Coalition of Creatives Association e kaunti ma Mombasa. Koni kata bedo ni talanta magin godo nyalo jologi e weche mag yuto. Jogo mawuok oko mar siro gi gigo mabende gitimo pod nitiere piny ahinya. Kotelnegi kod jakomgi Collins Mangicho. Gikoni gisiro lwedo agenda mano mar piny owacho mar temo konyo rowere mantiere sekta mopogore to chutho mago mag ohala. Kakoro gidwaro mar mondo mi piny owacho bende rangi chenro manyalo bero talanta mag rowere e kor gwenge. Ma gikoni biro konyo e thiro weche mag rochruok mag arita kod nok mag tije ne rowere mathoth ma bende osebedo ka ywago e gwenge mago mag Kadwadh Nam Chumbi.
Community halls zitumike na wasanii, wacha ziwe creative friendly, wacha ziweze kuwa ambazo wasanii wanaweza either zilipia pesa kidogo ama wanaweza zipata kwa through partnership, kwa sababu spaces ndio imekuwa ni changamoto kubwa sana. Available spaces are very very expensive. Now we understand the creative economy vile ambavyo kupata hela, kuingiza hela ni changamoto.
Wenye tunaoishi na changamoto za kimaumbile. Tumekuwa na changamoto pia katika usanii na mahitaji maalum, mahitaji tofauti tofauti kama accessibility za buildings, vile tunaweza kujimudu kimaisha kupitia sanaa.
I personally would like to request that Honorable President to organize a meeting and meet us, furthermore the COCA committee, so that we can see a way forward on how we are going to uplift this thing. We as artists, we have got no authority to access very many places. We want to be given something like a license.
Tuko hapa leo kama COCA tukiamini kama sanaa inalipa. Na sisi kama vijana, sisi kama wasanii tukilipwa, hamtasikia any cases of insecurities, hakutakuwa na teenage pregnancies, hakutakuwa na drugs and substance abuses, kwa sababu vijana will be busy. And by getting busy, we will feel motivated na tutaona kama tumepewa mgao mkubwa katika jamii.
Even the PSS, especially mwenye na support vijana, that is PS Raymond Omolo, azidi kusupport